Wow. Monkey wrench mayhem, hardened heating and air conditioning here on a kind of a, I want to say new one, but I've seen stuff like this before. But this one got and I'll try not to be too gory, but you know, something last night got into this person's air conditioner, and when it turned on, well, that something is not something anymore. It's a lot of little things. So, let's give you a quick glimpse without being too gory, but I don't know if you can see some of that on the wall right there. Inside the air conditioner, a little piece there. I'm here to clean it up today. Well, at least as much as I can. Yeah, so I came prepared because of what he told me over the phone before I got here was nothing short of what I've seen in most horror movies. So, yeah, I grabbed a few things, my tools, some soap, a scrubber, some gloves, some glasses, a grabber, a bag. I don't want to tell you what the bag's for, but, and then obviously my tools. So let's see how much of this stuff we need. Missed one. Yeah. And something pleasant on the way out. Can't be grody all the time, you know? Alright, so all finished up. Obviously, you can see I'm driving away. Everything was fine. Everything got cleaned. It smells a lot nicer. I didn't put it on camera that I gave it a test. I ran everything and made sure that everything was going to run smooth. But I spun it before I started to make sure that it was not completely off balance or bent or anything. But everything's working, smelling better. Good thing you couldn't smell that. But anyway, that'll be it for now. Ciao for now. He hates it. Had enough.